Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem and activate a gift card on Etsy. Now let's say you've just got a gift card and you want to use it on Etsy. This is the tutorial you need to follow. Now the first step that you want to take is go onto Etsy on your mobile phone or on a web browser of your choice. Now from there you sign into your existing account where you want to use the gift card. Now from there we're going to the top right corner where your account appears and simply head down to the gift card balance right here. Inside the balance you see a tab that says redeem your gift card. Now simply enter your code that's on the gift card or on your email and simply press redeem. Now from there the current balance will appear on your Etsy account. So make sure to sign into your own account. Now from there you can simply use Etsy, browse Etsy to shop your products for the account balance on Etsy. Now it's a very easy process. If you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below. I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.